Hey guys, welcome back. So today I want to show you a better way to handle debugging, especially for games you're actually planning to release. Now we all use debug log, log warning or log error. They are super handy during development. But the problem is if you are not careful, they get included in your final build. That means extra memory usage, unnecessary processing, and worst of all, your game is logging useless stuff in the background that the player never sees. And yes, if your game allocates a bunch of strings and throws logs every frame, that adds up. It's a bad for performance and it's just bad practice for production. So here's what I do, and I recommend you do the same. Instead of using Unity's debug.log directly, I use a wrapper called Debug Logs Manager. Under the hood, it's just calling Unity's built-in logging system, but only if you have defined a symbol called debug_logs. So when you are in the editor or doing internal testing, you enable debug_logs in your scripting defined symbols, which is in the project settings and in the player, and you get all your logs just like normal. But when you are making a release build, you just don't define that symbol. All your logs are stripped out. They are not compiled into the code. No performance costs, no memory waste. This means you can keep all your useful dev logs in your code without ever worrying about shipping them. You don't have to delete or comment anything out when it's time to build. It keeps the build clean, keeps performance tight, and your console isn't doing work it doesn't need to. It's such a simple system, but it saves a ton of time later, especially when you're working with a team or launching publicly. I will drop the full script in the description if you want to copy it and use it right away. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, give it a like, maybe a subscribe if you're into a game dev tips, and let me know in the comments how you handle logging. I would love to hear your system. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.